Okay, we're at 29793 Briarton. We put in a double clean out, reverse flow and downstream clean out. We had 4-inch cast iron building sewer that converted to 6-inch at the transition. So what we're going to do now is go in the upstream clean out and go towards the house, towards the foundation, to check the condition of the building sewer. So we'll zero it out at the bottom, and now we'll go forward. I would say right in there, we're near the foundation somewhere. Is it possible you can have someone flush the toilet for me? Thank you. You can kill a lot of time, and then it makes it real hard to do diagnostic. You know what I mean? That's crazy. We don't have it. We lost her.
Pull it back. You were underwater there for a minute.
If you don't mind, you could have someone run some water for me, because I'm hitting a small little blockage up there. Okay, we've gone up towards the foundation, broke up a lot of sludge. Now we're going to televise the downstream. Hey, you know what?
Set of fingers?
Huh?
You want fingers? Or you want to shut the water off?
Well, I'm thinking we should cable.
You should cable?
Yeah. I'm hitting something right there. Let's get her cabled.
Alright.
We're going to pause at this time and cable.